Farming is one of the most important industries in our country, but it also requires significant investments in equipment and technology. Many farmers need tractors, harvesters, irrigation systems, trailers, and other specialized equipment to operate efficiently. The challenge is that purchasing these assets outright can put a strain on cash flow. That's where equipment financing can help. Equipment financing allows farmers to acquire the equipment they need today while spreading payments over time. This helps preserve working capital so they can continue investing in seed, labor, fuel, maintenance, and other operational expenses. Another benefit is increased productivity. Modern equipment can help farmers complete tasks more efficiently, reduce downtime, and improve overall production. Equipment financing can also provide flexibility. Many financing programs are designed with seasonal businesses in mind, making it easier to structure payments around revenue cycles. In some cases, there may even be tax advantages associated with equipment purchases. Farmers should always consult a qualified tax professional to determine what benefits may apply to their situation. The bottom line is simple. Having access to the right equipment can help farmers increase efficiency, improve profitability, and prepare for long-term growth. If you're a farmer or agricultural business owner looking to explore equipment financing options, let's connect and discuss your goals. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone in the agricultural community who may find it helpful.